On June 7, 1692, a massive earthquake followed by a tsunami and landslides destroyed Port Royal. At that time, Port Royal was one of the most popular and wealthiest ports in the West Indies, but it was also regarded as the wickedest city in the New World. Port Royal is located on a peninsula off the coast of Kingston Harbor. At the time of the earthquake, the town was reported to have approximately 6,500 residents who lived and worked in this unofficial capital of Jamaica. Although the town was known for its piracy and smuggling, Port Royal was considered the second largest English-speaking settlement. Port Royal's land was made of loosely packed soil, and it turned almost into a liquefied sand during the earthquake. So, immediately after the main earthquake, 2/3 of Port Royal's sandy land sank, taking persons, buildings, and its contents into a grave beneath the sea. On the remaining land, in some places, the sandy ground opened up and sucked bodies in and then closed back. Some persons managed to escape when the ground quickly reopened, but others didn't. Bodies from the cemetery floated in the harbor alongside the bodies of recent victims of the disaster. But also disturbing during this time of death and destruction was that there was widespread looting of houses, businesses, and robbery of jewelry from dead bodies. So the wicked behaviors associated with Port Royal continued even after residents had such a horrific experience from the natural disaster. Of the over 6,000 residents, approximately 2,000 persons died on the day of the earthquake, and thousands died during the following days and weeks from untreated illnesses and injuries. After the calamity, practically every building, including 2 forts on the remaining 25 acres of land, was unlivable. The aftershock and poor soil structure discouraged survivors from wanting to rebuild their lives on Port Royal's remaining peninsula. This led to decisions to move off the peninsula onto more stable nearby land located across the harbor. Relocation of an influx of survivors from Port Royal was the beginning of Kingston, which developed into the well-known capital city of Jamaica.